Yeah, and going through with us today, it's a very, very cool project on the ecosystem, which is MoonFit, a cross-chain social fitness app dedicated to empower everyone to embrace an active lifestyle, stay fit, and stay healthy. And through rewarding system and Web3 fitness model, they aim to bring unique fitness experiences and become sustainable model for mass adoption. So it's not all about Moonfeed. So if you want to hear more about that, please stay till the end. Yeah. And in case you first know about Polkadot Insider, so we are a channel updating news, data analytics, real-time data, and research about projects to support retail investors when they want to invest in the Polkadot or Kusama ecosystem. Yeah. So going through the MA with me today, I'm so honored to once again have a chance to talk to Mr. Peter. Yeah, BD at MoonFeed, who gonna share with us all about the MoonFeed today and also the spotlight as grant ecosystem proposal. Yeah, so no more waiting and we gotta start. Yeah. So to kick off the atmosphere, so sir, can you share a little bit about yourself and also a quick overview of MoonFeed? Yes, so to like for everyone to know more about MoonFeed.
Uh, hi. Hi, Anna. Can you hear me now? Um, is everything okay? When I came in here, I just heard you for a second, and then it all went fade down.
So can you hear me
Yeah,
now?
I can hear you now. Perfect.
Yeah. I think there's just a bit lost connection. Yeah, sorry everyone, but we are good for now. Yeah. So I'm gonna start over a little bit. Yeah. So for the first question to kick off the stage, so can you share a little bit about yourself, your journey with Moonfeed, and also a quick overview of what is Moonfeed is about?
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much, Anna. Guys, hello everyone. My name is Peter. I am business development manager of MoonFit, and MoonFit is a cross-chain social fitness app. Well, we are on a mission to promote an active and healthy lifestyle, and through our rewarding system, we encourage users to stay fit, stay healthy, and exercise more. We accept or we are open to any kind of activities or sports as long as the calories are burned. So yeah, my journey with actually I started with MoonFit since the last October, the last November, to be honest. Um, yeah, and recently we are in the incentivized testnet phase, and we haven't launched tokens yet. We're in the incentivized testnet phase, and recently we released the integration with Apple Watch, which is our first step to the wearable device integration. So yeah, so happy to be here, and in this AMA, I would like to have a discussion and have a talk with Anna here about our cross-chain initiatives and also our upcoming cross-chain plans. What will it be, and how it will affect or how it will benefit the Moonbeam ecosystem and the Polkadot family in general as well. So yeah, back to you, Anna.
Yeah, thank you so a lot. I think it's very, very nice kick off. Yeah, that's right, everyone. That's all that we gonna dive deeper here. Yeah, right now. Yeah. So a little bit about MoonFit in deeper. Yeah. So how does MoonFit reward system incentivize users to exercise, to stay fit and stay healthy? And also, are there any unique features that only MoonFit can offer to the users?
Well, yeah, I'm really happy to answer this question about the reward system. In the short introduction I said above, MoonFit has a diverse reward system, which means that when you look at the existing MoonTurn concept, which rewards you with only tokens and cash, in MoonFit we apply a diverse reward system. What you can receive with MoonFit from your activities is not just cash token. There will be tokens, there will be cash, but there will be more. There will be NFTs, there will be in-game items, there will be both the Web3 rewards like the wireless and the mean pass from other partner projects as well, to the Web2 rewards like the merchandise or the fitness related items, the real life items that you can directly order from. You can directly order and you can spend your earnings from your activities on that as well. So it means there are a lot of rewards here in MoonFit that you can enjoy. So are there any unique features or mechanism involved? I have to say that the main difference and the exciting things about the Web3 fitness model that we are applying is that we fix or we utilize the in-game economy and also the user experience. So for the user experience, I have to say that all kind of activities are allowed and are open to MoonFit, because as long as they can burn calories, then they can get rewarded for your activities. And we also offer flexible speed, skills, frequency, and things like that for trainers, because we notice that we don't want our users to overtrain for the rewards. We could recommend them to stay on the line. Actually, not stay on the line, but stay it to the extent that will not cause you some injuries, something like that. And another special thing about the unique features of MoonFit is that MoonFit is also a cross-chain social fitness. Okay, it's not just MoonTurn, it's cross-chain social fitness. It means that MoonFit can be a platform for you to connect with each other. You can connect with like-minded people. You can compete with them. You can interact with them and share your activities as a social media. And we have the running clan feature in the MoonFit app, which works like the platform for you to share your activities and connect with other trainers, other users of MoonFit as well. So I think that we have diverse rewards, okay, and the unique features of MoonFit is that it's just not the move turn, the simple move turn mechanism. It does have other features like the social interactions with other people, and also there are all activities you can do with the MoonFit app, not just like the move turn part. Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. Yeah. So with MoonFit, everyone, we can both exercise and get rewards at the same time. I mean, how amazing it is. And you might not believe it, I'm in a very strict diet. Yeah, I did a lot of exercise every day. So I mean, I love the AMA already. Yeah, it's like I love MoonFit already, and that's really amazing, everyone. Yeah. So our spotlight today is the MoonFit Grant Ecosystem Proposal. So yeah, we're so excited about this already. So can you share more about the primary goal of it? Also, how does it mean to the MoonFit's growth and also the Moonbeam Network growth?
I'm really excited to share about this about MoonFit Moonbeam Grant Ecosystem Proposal. What we aim to do, the primary goal is to develop the cross-chain connected contracts use case. The USP, which is the unique selling point of Moonbeam, is the cross-chain connected contracts, which allow the apps to interact with the apps from other ecosystem, more likely the EVM ecosystems. And yeah, we want to focus, we want to leverage on that technology, and we expand into other ecosystems, because we believe that this initiative will be able to bring a huge amount of users from other ecosystem to come. When they use MoonFit, they are using Moonbeam Network, and that means Moonbeam gets more users from this initiative. So that's what we're trying to do, and also it also aligns with our vision of staying multi-chain Dapp. And this is our first step, first the cross-chain, and then we come to the multi-chain feature. Yeah. So right now the Moonbeam Grand ecosystem is in the snapshot voting phase, and we have another voting round after this one, which is the on-chain vote phase. But if you believe, and if you believe that Moonbeam right now is in the early stage of the ecosystem for NFTs, games, and utility-rich the apps that people have the need to use it. So I recommend you come to the snapshot.org of Moonbeam Network and come have a look and vote for MoonFit. And yeah, where we how does it aim to be beneficial for the Moonbeam Network? Yeah, this can be beneficial for Moonbeam Network in multiple ways. First thing is the users, additional users. Also the cross-chain transactions. New users mean more capital flow from other ecosystem, because when they use MoonFit, they need to bring their capital flow with them. They need to bring their investment, and then when they interact with MoonFit, they also interact with the cross-chain routes and the cross-chain swap as well for the tokens. And yeah, that is the first point. And the second point is the branding and the influence of the cross-chain connected contract use case, because this is what Moonbeam has been trying to show to the world and to attract the world. And I think that in Moonbeam there has been no outstanding dApps that can promote this unique selling point of Moonbeam to the world. So I think we're gonna go expand. We're gonna go across blockchains and leverage on the connected contract use case of Moonbeam. So yeah, that's some points that we would like to contribute to Moonbeam in this proposal.
Wow, I mean that's really really fantastic. Yeah, we kind of see a very strong relationship between MoonFit and Moonbeam, and we see that MoonFit growth means a lot to Moonbeam network growth as well, and it's in terms of user and also in terms of other aspects as you mentioned, and that's really amazing. Yeah, so everyone vote for MoonFit. So a lot of good experience is waiting for you, yeah, in the next journey. Yeah. So for our next question, we kind of curious about the requested glmr grant amount of 200 glmr. So how can it be utilized to spearhead the growth of MoonFit across various ecosystems, and also how to accelerate the MoonFit vision?
You mean about the requested grant amount, right? Like
Yes.
the 2 million. Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, we requested 2 million glmr tokens, which is around I think it's around 5 to 600k right now. Yeah, 500k. So we about the use of this grant amount, we want to divide into two parts. We want to spend it into two parts, and the majority of this grant will be used on the incentives when we go across and we go expand into other ecosystems, because incentives are one of the most important things. Incentives are for the marketing. Incentives are to attract more users come and use the app, come and use the product, and things like that. And we want to use the majority of the grant amount into the incentives. We have a unique reward distribution system mechanism in which the incentives will go into the reward pool, and from the reward pool, it will be distributed through the in-app activities such as completing quests, running with MoonFit, completing quests, then joining events, something like that. And also, that is the in-app activities which encourage users to use the app more, and also use the app more means that they exercise more. And the other part will be spent on the marketing campaigns and events. And I think that for a big enough cross-chain initiative, we will also need a comparative equal amount of incentives to make it to promote it to the world. So yeah, we will have 4 milestones for this grant amount. It's not just like we spend the whole 2 million glmr tokens requested here on one milestone. We divide it into 4 milestones, and the first milestone will be BNB chain. In this initiative, we're gonna have the strategic integration with CyberConnect protocol, the biggest and the earliest and the biggest decentralized network right now. And they have the flagship product like Link 3. Okay, so yeah, we will have the integration with CyberConnect protocol, and also we will develop the cross-chain NFT bridge from Moonbeam to BNB chain and vice versa. And the next one will be Star Network, which is a leading leading parachain in Polkadot ecosystem as well. We anticipate from the recent progress and the recent achievements of Star Network when working with Japan authorities and Japan big enterprises. We anticipated that Star will have a lot of potential to grow their users in the future. So also there is no cross-chain interaction and interoperability between Moonbeam and Star for the NFT apps. So I think that this is going to be the first case, and it's going to pave the way for other apps. And the third one will be the ZK EVM ecosystems. The ZK EVM ecosystem are relatively new, and they have a lot of potential in the next bull run. And the fourth one will be the substrate-based blockchains and ecosystem. An example is Aleph0. So yeah, in this 2 million glmr tokens we're gonna request, it will be used mostly on the incentives, and where we find that the development fees and also the cross-chain development fees can be reusable, like working with other partners or something like that. We will work with other partners, and if there is a chain or there's blockchain that they don't have the bridge already, they don't have the connection between 2 chains, Moonbeam and those chains, and we're gonna develop our own custom GMP solution, which is the general message passing solution. So yeah, I think that it explains about the use of grant for the 2 million glmr tokens here. And if you want to know more clearly about how it will be distributed in numbers, please go to Moonbeam forum, and I will send the proposal link here in this Twitter space for you. So yeah, move on to the next question, Anna.
Yeah, that's really interesting to get to know more about how this great amount of glmr be utilized, and it's for milestones, which is really amazing. And we figure out a lot of cool integration happening up with BNB chain, with Star, with ZK EVM, and also with Aleph0. Wow, I think all of that is really worth expecting. Yeah, I think it's really amazing. Yeah, thank you, sir, for this information. I love it. Yeah. So for next question, I think it's interesting as well. So to your perspective, how will MoonFit's cross-chain interoperability and the role as a flagship multi-chain social fitness Dapp drive the mass adoption of connected contracts and contribute to the growth of MoonbeamNetwork?
Okay, yeah, thank you very much. Okay, about the cross-chain interoperability and also how we will drive the mass adoption of connected contracts and contribute to the growth of Moonbeam Network. Let me explain how this cross-chain initiative works. So the way it works is that with with cross-chain connected contracts, we are able to, when we expand to other ecosystems, the majority of MoonFit's logic will reside on Moonbeam. It means that each on-chain activity recorded in can be recorded in other chains. They will also be validated and will be executed on Moonbeam as well. So it means that Moonbeam will be the central hub, and we use the hub and spoke model where Moonbeam becomes the central hub and process and execute all the on-chain activities of MoonFit. So each activity on those chain with the connected contracts, it will resolve in the cross-chain transactions on Moonbeam. So from this initiative, we bring our product and we bring our app to other ecosystems, and to onboard and to attract more users coming to use the MoonFit app. Because other ecosystems, there might be some similar products or some existing product types, or some existing products there. But there are some new ecosystems that they like the utility-rich dApps. So when we come there, we onboard them to use MoonFit app, and with the user retention rate of 15%, which is more than 4 times the average user retention rate after 30 days of mobile apps on average. And we are confident that when we onboard users to MoonFit and we retain them with a rate of 15%, it would mean a lot to Moonbeam ecosystem, because when they use MoonFit, they're gonna have more chances, more opportunities to interact and to use other ecosystem apps of Moonbeam, and that is when they bring the capital flow, and also they bring their interest to the Moonbeam network, and that will drive the growth of Moonbeam network in general. And this is something that I believe that not many products can do. Not many, because if you want to drive the mass adoption and if you want to attract as many users as possible, you will need the apps and NFT apps, games, or things like that the retail users, the end users will always have the need to use. So I think that MoonFit is one of them, and we have an immense potential for this one. And with the hub and spoke model, we consider Moonbeam as the hub, and all other ecosystems that we expand to, they will also mean that we open the gateways to onboard them into Moonbeam. So I think the general idea is that, and and it can also have a lot of other values in terms of branding, influence, marketing, as well. I think that those are interesting and those are important values too.
Yeah, we really see your point here about how MoonFit can contribute to the growth of a Moonbeam, and so it's very interesting to get to know how MoonFit operates under Moonbeam as a central hub, and also, as you said, MoonFit can do a lot of things, but not so many projects out there can, and we can see that obviously. And it's kind of a unique point of MoonFit, and it's obviously that MoonFit's got the very good standing among users based on how unique visions you guys have, and also a lot of unique features already, and that's really amazing.
Can I add a few things?
Yeah, of course, sir.
The reason why we are confident with this initiative is that since July 2022, we started building on MoonFit, and since then we have been consistently the number one NFT collection in Moonbeam ecosystem, and we have trading volumes increase every day. We have NFT transactions every day, onboarding new users every day, And right now we have accumulated more than 15,000 total users, and we have more than 1,000 total users for the daily active users. So I think that with that strategy and with that energy and dedication, we are confident that we can make this cross-chain initiative successful and beneficial for Moonbeam ecosystem.
That's really impressive, sir. So yeah, no more words, everyone. Vote for MoonFit. Yeah, I mean that. Yeah, MoonFit is doing great job, and all the achievements have proved that MoonFit, yeah, has every potential to grow more. And with your vote, a lot of experiences, it's waiting for you. Yeah. So for the next question, for a bit about the future, a little bit. So you have shared about the cross-chain expansion, about the proposal, yeah, ongoing. But is there any updates or upgrades or on the roadmap that you want to share to the listeners today?
Well, yeah, of course. Give you a little update. Recently, we released the integration with Apple Watch, which is the wearable device, the first wearable device that we integrated with. And the second one is that in the roadmap, we didn't mention the integration with the socialfi projects. And as we believe that as the Web3 grows, socialfi projects become a thing, and there are more and more users that use the Web3 social media. So I think that I'd like to update a little bit about the roadmap. From now to the end of this year, we're gonna see more integration with the socialfi apps, and it brings more unique experience for MoonFit users when they use MoonFit, and that's the first one. And also for the cross-chain, cross-chain has been in our to-do list, and we will keep doing it from until we complete the 4 milestones. Complete 4 milestones, then we see the milestone 5. Don't worry about it. We'll keep on expanding. And that is the cross-chain. And in terms of the product, I think that you can expect new features. You can expect really, really new features in terms of the running clan and the profile section. You're gonna see all your activities and achievements, also badges, all the things, all the achievements that you have with MoonFit. And you can also share, you can follow other people, you can join running clans and compete with them. A lot of things related to the social features as well. And yeah, for the rewards, we're gonna also have the update of the Dapp marketplace, and a place where you can convert your earning in MoonFit into the real life items and the real life merchandise, and also other types of Web3 rewards I mentioned earlier. So yeah, there are some updates about our upcoming roadmap, and I'd like to add a few words about our current Moonbeam ecosystem grant. Right now it's the snapshot voting phase, and in order to vote, you don't have to lock your glimmer tokens or anything like that. You just have your glimmer tokens before 3 p.m. UTC yesterday, and then it's fine, and then it's okay. It's snapshotted. You can use it, your voting power. And also, we are having a campaign for anyone who vote for MoonFit in this ecosystem grant. We're gonna give away 3,000 glimmer tokens. 3,000 glimmer tokens for 50 lucky winners. So if you vote for MoonFit, no matter how much you vote for MoonFit, you can join. You can join and try your luck at the 3,000 glimmer tokens prize. The task is real simple. You vote for MoonFit and you like and you quote tweet. You like and you quote tweet the announcement, and everything is fine. You got it, done it. And it's happening right now, and I'm gonna share it in here into the space for you to look at, or if possible, Anna here can help me share this information later for you guys.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course, can do it. Yeah. So that's all about you want to share about this one, sir?
Yeah, that's right, for the upcoming roadmap.
Wow, I think it's a lot of good news coming up, everyone, about the integration, about the cross-chain, about the milestones, and the fifth milestone is coming up as a promise, and also the reward system, and I mean a lot, yeah, and also the current campaign for you guys for voting for MoonFit, and the 3,000 Climate token is waiting for you guys. So, what are you guys waiting for? Let's get vote for MoonFit. Yeah, I mean, and also I think a lot of things gotta do to make all of them come into play. But with MoonFit, we definitely believe that a lot of good news coming up, and yeah, we definitely stay tuned about this one. So yeah, so I think it's we kind of come to the last question, and I think it's kind of relaxing compared to other ones. So if you have to say 3 words or 3 sentences about MoonFit to describe how you proud of MoonFit, so what would they be, sir?
How am I proud of MoonFit?
Yeah, it's just 3 words. It can be nouns or adjectives, or you can use sentence if it's easier for you. Yeah.
Okay, 3 words. Let's say first one is moving.
Yeah,
Next
I love
one.
it. Yeah.
Next one is dedicated. No, I think the word should be resilient. Yeah.
Resilient. Yeah.
And the third one will be creative. Yeah, creative.
Yeah, exactly. What we see about MoonFit is the 3 words you just mentioned, and that's really amazing. It's kind of tell us once again about how the attitude of MoonFit, how MoonFit is trying to do to the growth of MoonFit and also to the Moonbeam ecosystem, and that's really amazing. Yeah. So I think it's all about the questions today. We have been through a lot of good information about MoonFit, and the spotlight is about the Moonbeam grant ecosystem proposal, and also a lot of upcoming things that we should follow up with MoonFit. So before we kind of say goodbye, so sir, do you have any words left? To call for more votes? Yeah, for listeners today before we say goodbye.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much, Anna, for this conversation. And yeah, I'd like to mention again that the snapshot voting phase will last from 18th of July until 23rd of July. Okay, 3 p.m. 3 p.m. UTC 18th of July to 3 p.m. UTC 23rd of July. 23rd. So from now to the end of this week. So if you have Glimmer tokens, and if you also believe in the upcoming plans of MoonFit, and you also believe in our vision and what we are going to do, we're going to contribute to Moonbeam ecosystem. And then welcome on board, and welcome you to vote for MoonFit. And also when you vote for MoonFit, you will receive a guarantee, a special exclusive NFT badge that will have exclusive perks, advantages, privilege in the future of MoonFit. And remember that we are still in the incentivized testnet phase, and we're going to have a lot of other events and milestones in the future. So, and moreover, you claim the badge NFT, you also share the chance of claiming the 3,000 claimer tokens. So yeah, why not? Why not give it a shot, okay? Thank you very much once again, and I'm looking forward to receive your votes, and cheers. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for coming and the sharings. All of them are so amazing. So everyone, you heard that the snapshot's gonna last till from 18th to 23rd of this month. And if you have Glamour token, if you're Moonbeam lover, what are you waiting for? Yeah, to get some vote from MoonFit, and I think that you're not gonna regret it. A lot of benefits already, a lot of rewards already. So yeah, please stay engaged into it. Yeah. So once again, thank you, MoonFit, for coming here today. Really a great pleasure for us to have you here. And also, all the listeners today, thank you so much for staying till at this time. And we hope that you just had a really relaxing time with us. So do not forget about the proposal. and also the information will be on recap. So please wait for it if you want to, or you want to hear the information again. You can play the recording. Yeah, it's on our Twitter. So yeah, do not hesitate to play it. And yeah, I think it is all about today. And I think it's time for us to say goodbye.
Thank you very
Goodbye,
much.
everyone. Yeah, thank you
Goodbye,
so much
everyone.
for coming. Yeah, goodbye, everyone. Have a nice day.